What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu here today. We're doing huge numbers right now with Shiba Inu, and it's just going crazy parabolic. We're at our all-time highs. We've surpassed Dogecoin inside of market cap. I mean, everything's going very well with Shiba Inu. So yeah, this is what we're going to be going over today. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Also, hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you want me to go over next. And also, if you want these trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. It can help you make a whole lot of money on all of these cryptos here. And also, if you want to help support the channel, go ahead and send a donation through the PayPal donation link or the Cash App donation link in the description. And let's get straight to this video. So over here with the Vital Algo indicators, you can see our 24-hour market control is in control by the bulls by 100%. Now, we are starting to hit like a little bit of a bearish movement right here with Shiba Inu. You can see here with the oscillator here, the Vital Oscillator is showing us that we're going slightly down here on a downtrend here, going down with less volume now, and now it's showing a little bit of bearish movements. But still, Shiba Inu is still moving hard. It's still trying to pump. It's still trying to do what it's most famous for doing. But I mean, look at this growth that we just now had in Shiba Inu. This is just crazy. Like I've been reviewing Shiba Inu for a very long time. Like as you can see back here, I've been doing technical analysis with Shiba Inu. I've been going over different areas where we had different consolidation periods, and when we actually broke out of our consolidation periods and positives, I showed the positives, I showed the negatives here with Shiba Inu. And I've been doing this for a very long time, since way back here. Actually, honestly, since April, I've been doing this. So I guess I'm somewhat of a veteran here with Shiba Inu. But this is pretty much all to say that right now, Shiba Inu has so much growth that it just now went through that it's almost at the point right now where there's just so many whales that have pumped Shiba Inu up to the point where it's like it's inevitable that if you get into Shiba Inu that the notion is that you're going to make money. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of it's financial advice. But what I'm seeing here right now is the FOMO cycle. This is the fear of missing out cycle. Everyone has a fear of missing out when it comes to Shiba Inu right now. They're looking at this like, oh my gosh, if I don't get in now, I'm going to miss out. I've been hearing people that never talk about crypto talk about crypto. And another thing I want to mention, the 24-hour trading volume for Shiba Inu, $32.9 billion. The market cap, $36.9 billion. Look at Ethereum. Ethereum's market cap is $470 billion, but its 24-hour trading volume, only $30 billion. Shiba Inu's market cap, or Shiba Inu's 24-hour trading volume, is literally about 10 billion less than Bitcoin's 24-hour trading volume. Meaning everyone, or all the money that's in Shiba Inu right now, that $32.9 billion, that's whales. That's whale manipulation, meaning it could get sold out any moment. That could get sold out, literally. That's what that 24-hour trading volume means. That means that people are buying in, they're buying out just as they're buying in. So they're really doing this and making money. That's why you want to be careful. You don't want to put all your money in at the peak of these. And this is just me being real. This is not me spreading FUD. Shiba Inu has a long-term potential. So I'm pretty much saying this to say this. Expect a retracement period. Like around this time is where you want to expect a retracement. So pretty much the retracement period, I'm expecting, that analysts are expecting as well. Expect like 30%, possibly 50. Seven, that would go for the 8 area back down to the 4 area. That was our previous support. So the 0.00004 area is our previous support, and that's where we could possibly see this fall back down to if this actually dumps. And right here, you can see with the vital indicators, you can see that there's a huge transfer reversal right here, and as it hit the transfer reversal, now it's trying to go back on an uptrend, but it looks like it's getting rejected just a little bit. So Shiba Inu has peaked right here, and I'm just telling everyone this because this is it's very risky to get in at the top of something like this. But if you already made money on Shiba Inu, good. A long time holding is the best holding. Anyways, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice, but long-term investing is the best investing. So also look over here. You can see with the institutional interest and the dark pools pretty much showing where the whales are more likely to buy and sell at. The whales are more likely to buy back in when Shiba Inu hits the 5 area. Pretty much what I was just now saying, 30 to 50%. So as you can see here, high activity is expected back here at 0.00005. And that is the 50 area. So pretty much we're seeing that, and then moderate activity here around 4.5, and then moderate activity as well as around 3,500. But really, whales want to see this retrace back down to the 50 area because I'm telling you right now, whales are probably trying to cash out right now. And when they cash out, they're going to buy the dip when they make it dip. And they already did that previously here. So actually, let's go back here and show that too. And by the way, I'm not being bearish here with Shiba Inu, but this type of stuff is inevitable. Like when you see huge growth like this, there's always followed by a big pullback. You know, we always have a retracement period and a pullback here. And I know everyone wants to see Shiba Inu go to the moon, and it has went to the moon. But there's always has to be a moon landing and then a comeback from the moon, and then we go back to the moon on another date. So right in here, this is pretty much what I want to show you guys. So first, let's take off these indicators here. Well, actually, let's leave them on. The red area here shows our supply and demand, shows less demand. The green area down here shows our supply and demand where we have more demand. Notice how the green area is far less than the red area, meaning that we have less demand in Shiba Inu at this price. So look, when we peaked up here, you can see how we peaked up here. We did not end up peaking up here again after we tried to rise. We actually got rejected and had another chance for reversal, sending us back on a downtrend here. And it's probably going to try to have another chance for reversal, probably going to send us on another downtrend eventually here to this area down here, like I was saying before. So expect a retracement period here inside Shiba Inu. And then after that, we'll probably see another pump leading us to 0.0009. And that is a big pump that's coming up. So that's what we're about to look at now. So Shiba Inu could surpass Dogecoin after 700% SHIB price rally, and we just now had that rally, and we just now surpassed Dogecoin. As you can see, SHIB at the ranked number 9th coin here, 182% inside the last 7 days. Whenever you see huge growth like that, there's always a huge pullback. That's why I'm mentioning that, not being bearish. I'm actually very bullish with Shiba Inu, but right now, short term, we may see a little bit of a pullback, which is 100% expected, and it's actually a good thing because it helps us build momentum here to actually continue to rise. So anyways, Shib copying the Dogecoin bull run, pretty much what we're doing, and you're seeing a huge run up here. So anyways, a Dogecoin like 1500% price boom in the Shiba Inu market puts its long-term profit target near 0.00135. So we're about to actually knock off one of these zeros very soon here inside Shiba Inu. And this is about to be really good here because after this pullback that we have, look at this. They're pretty much predicting this. And this is exactly where we're about to pull back here. They made this around the beginning of the day. So this was actually made at let me check up here. So yeah, this was made at 2:52 a.m., right? So they made this all the way back at 2:52 a.m. and that's when Shiba Inu was all the way down here at 0.000558. And that's where the analysis of FX Street made this price prediction. And they said, look, we're going to hit the 8 area and then we're going to retrace back down and have a correction. And when we have this correction is going to go down to about here to the 40 area that I just now mentioned previously. And then after that, they're predicting another 1500% rise or 700% rise, which is then eventually going to bring us up to 0.0001350. So that's pretty much what we're going to see here inside Shiba Inu. And this is actually pretty good that we're going to have this pullback. It's inevitable. I mean, if you look back here, you can see the pullback is happening. Now, there's been rumors that, Robinhood's about to list Shib on November 1st. People say buy the rumor, sell the news. That's why it's pumping. So leading up to it November 1st, we're going to continue to pump. And we're probably going to end up reaching 0.00135 by the November 1st. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. This is just my predictions here. And I think we could actually reach that price by November 1st. But remember, buy the rumor, sell the news. So when it comes out on the 1st, if we do not get the Robinhood on the listing on the 1st, then we're going to have another retracement period, probably leading us back to 0.0007 where we are now. Now, if we do get listed on Robinhood, we'll probably have a smaller retracement period leading us back down to the 1 area of 0.001 or leading us back down to 0.0009 or 8, somewhere around there. So either way, there's going to be a correction, but that correction is going to lead to further gains with Shiba Inu. And we see this time and time again with Shiba Inu. So we got big stuff coming out here with Shiba Inu. Huge stuff. I mean, Shiba Inu is going so crazy right now. So anyways, the Shib price macro fundamentals, pretty much they're looking at it. They're like, look, Shib has a lot of things going on for it. It has Shiba Swap, the whole community, NFTs, liquidity mining. I mean, we can go on and on and on. Bearing, staking. We have all that stuff going on inside Shib and Shiba Swap. Now we have Robinhood that's possibly going to be adding us. We're on Coinbase, Binance. Everything just kind of piled up here inside of Shiba Inu and is leading us on like Dogecoin's bull run. Just like how Dogecoin had the frenzy leading it up to 76 cents and then had a huge pullback. we're going to see something like that with Shib, but our pullback is not going to look as significant as those just because of we're at a lower price. So it's just going to look a little less significant, but it's still going to be around the same type of pullback. But this is going to be pretty good because Shiba Inu has such a strong community and it's just going crazy right now. So the next thing I want to go over here with Shib, other than the pullback that you see that we're having in real time here, I want to go over this here. Shiba Inu price to provide buying opportunity before Shib doubles again. And this is what I'm talking about. Yes, we just now doubled, but we're about to have a pullback and then we're going to have another double up. So yeah, Shiba Inu price is due for a retracement after rallying 113% in less than 3 days. And now we're about to have another double. So a bounce off the 446 support will kickstart another advance to the 914 area, the 0000914. And we already passed the 446 support, but that's what I'm saying. That's a significant line of support. So if we pull back very hard, that's where it will go. But if we just do a normal pullback, just the normal one like I was talking about, then we'll pull back probably to where we're at now, like after we pump to this area here, this 914 area, and possibly knocking out a zero. So we got some big stuff going on here in Shiba Inu. Anyways, let's go over this. So Shiba Inu price needs to cool down, and it did cool down, and it broke out right after it cooled down. That's what I'm saying. After this next breakout, then we will after this next cool down, we'll definitely break out again. So big stuff is going on here inside Shiba Inu. I mean, it's so much to go over. It's hard to go over it all in one little tiny video. This is going to be a long video. As you can see, I mean, this is so big, it's hard to calculate here. So you can see right here, this is 141%. Shiba Inu is 141% above its all-time low. 141 million% above its all-time low. Like, let that sink in. We're 13.6% up for the last hour. We're over here 64.9% in the last 24 hours, 180% in the last 7 days, 170% in the last 14 days, 1000% in the last 30 days. I mean, this is huge. But like I said, you can even see how it topped out here. This was pretty much our large amount that we actually hit. Just like how we had this peak back here, then we had to pull back to 5190, and we stayed there for a little bit before we start the rise. We had the peak here. Now we're having a pullback, and now we're trying to peak, but we got rejected. So now we're probably going to have another little pullback, which is going to build up that momentum to have us break out again and knock out one of these zeros here with Shib. And that's pretty much what we're predicted to do. And as you can see here, Etherscan's already preparing to knock out a zero. And you can see that it's actually trying to show Shib at 0001. I don't know if you can see that because it's at the top of the screen. But anyways, we have other things over here with Shiba Inu that we need to go over. And that is our holders. So yesterday, we actually had 794,718 holders. Today, we have 815,740 holders. Literally 20,000 holders overnight. That is huge. So I also want to show something else and show you how significant it is. So look, 815,715 holders and our 815,740 holders. Hit the refresh button. Now 817,014 and 400 holders. That's literally 2,000 people invested into Shiba Inu within the last 15 minutes of us making this video. That is very significant. I mean, that's huge. Now let's go over some sponsorships that we have now inside Shib Army and Shiba Inu. So over here, you can see Shib has reached new heights, not only with price, but now with their sponsorships and our new sponsorship of Nexus Aura. So this amazing team is developing a rover to explore Mars, a literal rover to explore Mars. And now human colonization on Mars is about to be set on their site. Shib is, trending over here inside of Twitter, is trending everywhere with Coinbase, Robinhood, all these different rumors about us getting on Robinhood. They're even talking about it on CNN. Shiba Inu is on CNN. Like, come on now. 55 million followers. Literally, they're promoting this to 55 million followers, right? This is huge right here. The fact that they're promoting it to 55 million people, this gives Shiba Inu the chance to rise higher than what it was before. So, I mean, this is huge stuff right here. I just can't even, you just can't even fathom what's about to happen with Shiba Inu. And now we're being sponsored by a literal space exploration company. Like, this company is literally exploring Mars and has a space rover that's going on Mars, and they're literally going to sponsor Shiba Inu and put Shiba Inu on Mars, just like those going to the moon. Now we're getting Shiba Inu on Mars. So this is pretty big stuff here. Look at them. They even did this. They're going to put a Shiba Inu on Mars. So yeah, it sounds like we're headed to the same place. Sheep token to Mars. Yeah, working on a plan to send Sheep token to Mars. They're going to be putting an actual token on Mars, just like a Dogecoin is going to be going to the moon with SpaceX. So we have kind of the same plan as Dogecoin. We're both going to be going to the space. Dogecoin's going to the moon. And Sheep's going to Mars, which Mars is definitely way past the moon. So it only makes sense that our market cap is actually higher than Dogecoin's, right? But anyways, this is a pretty big sponsorship. Now there's other stuff with Shiba Inu going on, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video here because this is becoming a very long video, and most of the times people won't watch the whole video. So just to get all the information in, I'm gonna make a second video with all the rest of the information. So yeah, definitely hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you like the video, oh yeah, I already said hit the like button, subscribe. Yeah. Also, if you want these automated trading indicators, you want to make big money on Shiba Inu, it literally tells you when we're about to have a chance for reversal, like to a downtrend, and when a chance for reversal leading to a strong uptrend. And over here, you can see we had this chance for reversal going down a downtrend, and it led straight to this uptrend here. It shows when we're about to go back on a downtrend, and boom. So you could have bought in here when it told you there, and you could have sold out here when it told you that I was about to go down here. So from there to there, you could have made a bunch of big money. And I'm not selling you to, swing trade and day trade Dogecoin or Shiba Inu. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But look, it tells you, like it told you, buy it way back here. It was like, look, strong uptrend here. And then it shows that there will be a strong downtrend here. So it says you more than likely want to buy here and get out here. This is pretty much how Vital Algo works. It doesn't tell you when to buy and when to sell. It just shows you when we have strong uptrends, chance for reversals, and strong downtrends. And it shows here on the oscillator when we have overbought areas, oversold areas. It shows when our market is being controlled by bulls or bears. As you can see, Shiba Inu is being controlled by bulls, and it pretty much just shows you what you need to know with the markets. Then when you look at it at the 15M view, this is when you get OP here, overpowered. This is when your power levels on 9,000, like Vegeta. Like that's just how it is. Like it just shows you right here. It would have showed you way back down here. Like look, we're about to have a strong chance of a reversal here. I'm about to go on a huge uptrend here with Shiba Inu from 5175. And then look, it did not tell you to sell out, or not even to sell out until it pretty much told you that we're about to have a chance for a reversal as soon as we peaked all the way up here. So you could have rode Shiba Inu from here to here and not risked any money and made a bunch of money. All you got to do is check out the Vital Algo link in the description. It's 25% discount code Marsellis, get 25% off. And yes, the price is pretty expensive, but with the amount of money that you can make off of it, literally, it would pay for itself. Honestly, quite honestly, look at this. I just want to show this because this is very significant. Like 5237. Let's just do some math here, right? All right, I love doing math on this channel, so you gotta bear with me here. 5237. And if you made it this long, leave a comment in the comment section saying Marsellis is amazing. Definitely do that. Or just say Shiba Inu is amazing, and then I'll know what you say. But yeah, Shiba Inu is amazing, and I'll definitely hit a love button on your comment, and I'll probably just pin you, and I'll probably pin everyone that does it one by one simultaneously so everyone gets the chance to be pinned. But anyways, let's do this right here. So divide it by 0.00052, right? And this is how much you would have put in, 19.2 million sheep, right? So your 19.2 million sheep, if you would have multiplied it by, let's just say 19.2 million sheep, and then you multiply it by all the way up here, the downtrend started. The downtrend would have started. Let me move this actually out of the way so I can see. So yeah, that would have started at the 8 area, so 883 or 8083 actually. So what you would do is multiply your sheep coins by 0.1234 8083, and yeah, you would have made $554, right? And I'm just saying because Vital Algo, let's just go over here because I really support Vital Algo. Shout out to them for hooking me up with this program. This is one of the best trading indicators out there. And if you're watching this, CEO of Vital Algo, shout out to you for helping me out with this. I really love this. Like, I really, really love this program. But anyways, let me just show you the pricing of Vital Algo here. So if you wanted the pricings over here, you can do this today, $0. If you want the whole year, $0, or not the whole year, but a free trial. You can get the free trial of premium monthly, premium annual, or premium quarterly. So over here, let's just look over here. Look, we got the $87 a month option, right? And then we got the $527 a year option, or the $227 a quarter option. If you would have got Vital Algo for the whole year, you could have paid for Vital Algo just in this one day on this one Shiba Inu trade. Literally. Imagine making $554 look at this, from 8 a.m. all the way up until now, which is probably about 5 p.m., right? So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, all right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 10 hours. Literally think about that. 10 hours. Let's just say you made $554 every 10 hours. I know that's not how it works. Everything's different. You don't always get these huge pumps, but you always get trading opportunities with Vital Algo. So let's just say you had 10 times 554. I mean, every single 10 hours, like, you got to think about that. 10 hours of 554, let's say you did this 10 times, that's already $5,540, literally, that you could have just made doing 10 different hours 10 times. So you got to think about that. I mean, yeah, that's 100 hours, but still, you could have paid for your Vital Algo subscription just by doing different trades. 100 hours. But you think about it, you do 100 hours worth of work at your day job, you don't make this type of money. But anyways, this is all I got for today. I just wanted to give Vital Algo a huge shout out because I really love this program and I use it every single day for all of my trades and all of my money making strategies. But like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, none is financial advice. If you like the video, definitely hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.